Local news for Friday the 8th of March. There's still a few seats left on the bus being provided by Transit Coach Lines in Mitre 10 Mega at Masterton. The free bus will take locals to the Lifeline Open Day in Wellington on Sunday. Anyone keen can go and register on the Transit website with entry to the Open Day itself by gold coin donation and Mitre 10 Mega staff manning the barbecue. Most of New Zealand's more affordable, smaller provincial towns will continue to see solid value growth, while Auckland is seeing a slight drop in value. Masterton leads the way with a 12-month percentage growth of nearly 12%, Carterton 11.3% and South Wairarapa just over 10%. Several local councils are yet to sign the Local Government Leaders Change Declaration, but all three Wairarapa councils have done so. The declaration was introduced to hold regional leaders accountable for taking steps towards reducing carbon emissions. And in sport, a busy day tomorrow at Trust House Memorial Park. 4 games will take place, with the first kicking off at 11 a.m. with pre-season rugby. Meanwhile, Marist are away at the annual Spillane tournament, this year being hosted in Taranaki.